Imagine this. A high priority bug is found in the authentication process, and you need to quickly create automated tests to prevent future regressions. What do? I'm here to introduce a tool that can help you quickly and seamlessly create these test scripts around API schemas. Let's get started. First, sign in or register as a new user. Then, click on the tab that says Create API Test Automation Code. Like the other tools, we have the easy generation call to action for a quick example. You also see that the users have an option to select which framework they want the scripts generated. We have Playwright selected in JS. We can either choose to generate an example, or we could use the test cases generated from our rapid test case tool, or copy an existing test case we have. For this tutorial, we use the option to generate by the example. You can see the chat being populated with a schema. We're then going to go ahead and generate these API scripts. You'll see that the tool generates an automation code in JavaScript for the Playwright framework. You're free to download each and add them to your suite. Isn't that amazing? We're committed to making the testing process easier and faster. Try our free AI tools today.